Hey guys, well, I'm back with another video. Well, as you can see, it's going to be off the irrigation. So, as you guys know, we got that a month ago. This is our Amana irrigation afraid the heat pump. Still a good way, but as of yesterday, we got this. So, last week, unfortunately, last week, a month after our old waffle bit the dust, this last week the old Tempstar you bit the dust last week. So now, so that's yesterday. Now this irrigation is for the wall. It's for the wall waffle of the house. So this is a trying out tomato. This is a cup. It's called Arcoaire irrigation. Now this is just a single stage unit, but as you can hear, for just being a single stage, I miss how quiet it is. This is definitely so. Even this is just a single stage model. It's way more quiet than the old Tempstar unit was. Yeah. So the reason we went with a single stage for the wall waffle because for the for the wall waffle downstairs, it doesn't get very hot like it does upstairs. So there was no need to get something like that for the downstairs too. And plus, with the other wall, this does not work very hard. It does not work cozy like it would if this thing was for upstairs unit. So yeah, I will be getting a Ecobee smart thermostat for it. So when I do, I'll be sure to get a video of that too. Quick update for this one. As for update for this one, it's still looking great. We have this installed August 12th, and now it's September. September 24th. Yeah. So September 24th. So it's now September 24th, and this video has been installed since August 12th. It's still wicked great, and we don't have that on right now because it's a bit cool outside, as it's a bit cold upstairs. This video does a great job in keeping the upstairs nice and cool right up at the old sisters there. Anyways guys, I thought I would do a update, just do a quick update that one and show you the new weapon we just got yesterday for downstairs. I just talked to it. Bye bye. Oh, and as you can see, that one just kicked off. Yeah, yep. So okay, as I was about to this one kick out. Yep. As you can that. Well, that one looks like it's probably just out the dehumidifier. It's out the dehumidifier more now because usually how this one works, if it's when it starts out was cool, the fan would kick off the high speed, and then once it gets on the temperature, the fan speed will slow down. So it works as on the wall speed right now. And guys, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.